is to see you and to hold you once again. See the sun color your hair, and see the tall grass blow in the wind. Overcome me, bitter sweetness, put me under magic spell. Overcome me, all my sadness, lead me on and wish me well. There's no reason to cry, there's no reason to cry. It's alright. So overtake me, my sweet lover, and let me kiss your honey lips. Could be the only thing that's real. Could be when you get sad, your memory slips. There's no reason to cry, there's no reason to cry. It's alright. Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. Of course, I'm Judge Timbers, and I really do welcome you to the channel. Every Saturday night, I post another Tom Petty song or related song. Tonight, we have No Reason to Cry by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. It's off the Mojo album. I consider this one of Tom's last great ballads that we have. Really beautiful song. Let's just get right into this. I am using a capo on the 3rd fret. Whenever a song's in the key of F, I always think on acoustic guitar, capo 3 and play in a D shape. This song is no exception. At least that's the way I'm hearing it. So I'm going to play with the capo on the 3rd fret. I will call all the chords. I'll name the chords with the capo on 3. So we're going to start in a D. We're going to say a D with the capo on 3, a D shape. So just very slow, easy chords here. It's just a D. And then I just add the F sharp, D over F sharp. D, D over F sharp to a G. D, D over F sharp to G. Then an E minor, or E minor 7th, whichever you like. I think an E minor to an A. Back to E minor. Then I'm going to go to a B minor. I'm playing that barred on the 2nd fret with the capo. B minor, you could play it open. B minor to an A chord. And then you're back to D. We'll do it one more time. Add the F sharp to G. D. Add the F sharp to G. E minor to A, E minor to B minor, back to A. Now next part, no reason to cry, G. Then the B minor to A, no reason to cry. This time to an E minor, and back to the B minor, and A, it's alright, G. And resolves to D. So I'll do that part one more time. There's no reason to G, cry. B minor to an A. There's no reason to E minor, cry. B minor to A. It's all G. And then you resolve to D. That's it, folks. We're going to keep it short and sweet. No Reason to Cry, a real beautiful Tom Petty and Heartbreaker song, a ballad by Tom, one of the slow ones on the Mojo album, which is really fast-paced album. But we have No Reason to Cry. Thank you, folks, for watching. I'll see you all next Saturday night with another Tom Petty lesson. Take care.